Come and do the RSPB Big Garden Bird Watch with me. All you have to do is watch birds for an hour, and you count the birds that land in the space that you are watching, not the ones flying overhead. Also, you need to count the highest amount of birds that you see at any given time. For example, if you see 8 starlings and then you see 6 starlings, you would count the 8 starlings. This helps you to avoid counting the same bird twice. The Big Garden Birdwatch started on Friday and it ended on Sunday. If you didn't manage to do it this year, then there's always next year to help the RSPB count birds and monitor how the birds are doing in our gardens.